Back in the mid-90s, I worked a factory job while going to school. It was a night shift job, and I got out around 10 p.m. One of my favorite meals that I could make for myself was bachelor's lasagna. It's just a half-fast prepared Chef Boyardee lasagna kit. This kit has been a staple in my childhood diet since the 4th grade. It's a simple kit. You have a can of what might possibly be the most delicious tasting lasagna sauces that you've ever tasted, some lasagna noodles, and a pack of Parmesan cheese. You're supposed to boil the noodles, arrange them in layers with sauce in between, sprinkle the cheese on top, and bake for like 10 minutes. But as a 19-year-old that just got off from work, that's too much. I would just boil the noodles, drain it, pour it in a bowl, and just pour the sauce all over it and sprinkle the cheese on top of it. That's it. One of the best after-work late meals ever. That's of course until Conagra discontinued it about 15 years ago. Ever since, I've searched fruitlessly on the internet for these kits to no avail, and I'm not the only one. 1,300 people on Facebook feels the same way. But all this time, an option was right there. Conagra makes a Chef Boyardee spaghetti sauce. It tastes very similar to the lasagna sauce, but alas, there's a word that even this sauce is going to be discontinued. I went on eBay and bought a few cans for $20, got a box of lasagna noodles, and some Parmesan cheese. So in 15 years, I made bachelor's lasagna, and it was everything I thought it would be. Delicious. When boiling the noodles, make them al dente. No lasagna should ever be anything other than al dente. I think the texture is one of the most important components of this lasagna. The other, of course, is the sauce. And I have explored every sauce option, and nothing tastes like the Chef Boyardee lasagna sauce. Nothing comes close other than this spaghetti sauce. A vanilla Coke pairs well with this lasagna. To Conagra, just bring the kit back. There's enough demand for it. If you can't bring the kit back, sell the sauce. And if you can't do that, at least keep the spaghetti sauce on the shelf. A lot of people are quick to remind me that there is a Chef Boyardee lasagna in a can, and it tastes nothing like the sauce from the kit. It doesn't even come close. Just bring it back.